Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Ko-Fi payment problems in 2026. So if your payments are not coming through or getting stuck, this guide will help you troubleshoot it step by step. First, log into your Ko-Fi account and go to your payment settings. Now make sure your PayPal or Stripe account is properly connected. If it's disconnected or unverified, payments will fail. Check that your PayPal email or Stripe account details are correct. Even a small typo can block payments completely. Sometimes payments are delayed due to holds or verification checks. Go to your dashboard and look for any warnings. Make sure your Ko-Fi account is fully verified. Incomplete verification can stop payouts. Now review your transaction history to see if the payment was processed, pending, or failed. If you're using PayPal, check if your PayPal account has any restrictions or requires identity verification. If nothing works, disconnect and reconnect your payment method again. This often resets the connection. And if the issue still continues, contact Ko-Fi support and explain your payment problem clearly. So that's how to fix Ko-Fi payment problems in 2026. Most issues come from PayPal connection, verification, or account settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.